product history of D&H Secheron Electrodes Pvt Limited. 1981 Corotherme electrodes for welding weathering steels. 1983 Special CMN steel electrodes with enhanced properties for heavy water project. 1985 Electrodes for welding high tensile Q&T steels. 1986 Further developments in electrodes for Q&T steels for defense applications. 1987 Special electrodes for defense applications. 1989 Nitherm 3.5 liters, electrode conforming to E7016C2L for -101 degrees Celsius applications.